In today's video, we're going to walk through how to use Manychat to turn social media comments and messages into leads and sales. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you run an e-commerce store or promote products on social media, responding to every comment and message manually, it can quickly become very overwhelming. The reality is that people ask the same question again and again. They want to know the price, shipping details, product information, or whether a promotion is still available. If those questions go unanswered, potential buyers can lose interest. So in this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and break down what a DM automation is, how it works, and how you can set up simple systems that capture leads and guide people towards your products. Let's get into it. So let's start off by talking about what Manychat actually is. So Manychat is a marketing automation tool that helps businesses manage conversations on platforms like Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. Instead of responding to every message manually, Manychat allows you to build automated message flows. These flows send replies when someone performs a specific action, such as commenting on a post, sending a message, or following your page. For example, if someone comments on a product post asking about the price, Manychat can automatically send them a direct message with the product details. That message can also include buttons or quick replies that guide them to the next step, such as viewing the product page or claiming a discount. For e-commerce brands, this helps bridge the gap between social media engagement and actual sales. Conversations that normally stay in the comments can move into direct messages where you can provide more information and guide customers towards a purchase. And because the responses happen automatically, businesses can stay responsive even when they're not actively online. Okay, now if you don't already have a Manychat account, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below, and you can get signed up absolutely for free. Once you click that link, you'll just click Get Started, and then you'll go ahead and get signed up with Google or Facebook. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It's honestly really simple, which is so helpful. So this is the home page. This is all of your contacts. This is your automations. Okay, so you can do your automations, basic, and then sequences. This is Manychat AI. So we've got AI replies, AI comments, and AI goals. And then this is your inbox that you can kind of have everything pour into. And then you've got your settings here. There's a couple ways that you can do this. If you post something about a specific product and you say, DM me, summertime to get 10% off, or, DM me X to get whatever it may be, you'll want to use something like this. So auto DM links from comments is a really popular one, but let's go ahead and explore templates. So you can go ahead and do it by goal or by trigger. So if your goal is to grow your followers, engage your audience, or drive traffic, we can go ahead and go from there. Or if you want to be by trigger, so a post or real comment, a DM, a story reply, or a live comment. So maybe our goal is to engage your audience. Maybe our goal is to reply to a DM and auto send links. So auto send links in DM. Okay, go ahead and set this up. From here, maybe you'll want the keyword to be summertime. I don't know. Okay, we can go ahead and add that. Okay, we'll want to X out these. Okay, so here you can see if the user sends a message and the message contains summertime, this is the first message that your follower will receive. We'll want to go ahead and edit that. Hey, here's the link to our summertime collection. Want to check it out? Hey, this one is actually, hey, I'm so glad you're interested in our summertime collection. Want to check it out? It makes them click the button. So they'll say, yes, please, like can't wait, whatever. You can add other content blocks too if you want to add image, text, or anything like that. And then send message number 3. So here you go. Amazing. Check out the link. Here you'll want to go ahead and update it to your actual URL. Maybe it's a product page, maybe it's a website link, maybe it's even a lead magnet. Okay, so then you can go ahead and click set live. You can also preview if you would like. Okay, hey, I'm so glad you're interested in our summertime collection. Want to check it out? Yes, please. Click here and then get it here. Then it even has an auto message. Do you have any questions about, well, obviously update this. Do you have any questions about the collection? I'm here to help. Okay, so again, you can customize it super easily. Okay, and if you want to do other automations too, there's also send affiliate products. Okay, so if I wanted to select one of these, or you can do any post or reel as well, you can say a specific username, right? Like comment link and I'll send you. And then here's another one. Hey there, I'm so happy you're here. Thanks so much for your interest. Click below and I'll send you the link, to my favorite outfits in just a sec. Cool. Send me the link. And then here you would go ahead and send the link. Okay. And then you just click go live. So as soon as someone says send me the link, then it will go ahead and reply. Okay. And then you can go live, but you can do this with everything. You can do this for specific products, for specific, lead magnets. You can really send them anything, get new leads, get new people to nurture. Okay. There's so much that you can do. So a couple other key features I wanted to mention. So we've got the automated DM responses from comments. So this is one of the most popular features of Manychat. It's just the ability to send automatic direct messages when someone comments on a post. You can set specific keywords that trigger a message. For example, if someone comments price or info, Manychat can instantly send them a DM with more details. This just helps capture potential customers who are already interested in your product. Instead of hoping they visit your website later, the conversation continues immediately in their inbox. And like you saw, they also have that flow builder for conversation design. So it includes that visual flow builder that allows you to design automated conversions. The builder works by connecting messages together in a sequence. It's exactly like a workflow in, an email marketing system. Each message can include text, images, links, or buttons that guide the user to the next step. For example, a message might ask the user if they want to see product details, claim a discount, or visit your store. By connecting these steps together, you create a conversation path that helps move users from curiosity to action. Because the system uses a visual layout, you can easily see how the conversation flows from one message to the next. Manychat can also collect contact information during conversations. For example, a message might ask if the user would like to receive a discount code or early access to new products. In exchange, they can provide their email or phone number. Once the information is collected, it can be sent to your email marketing or SMS platform. This allows social media conversations to turn into long-term marketing opportunities instead of one-time interactions. For e-commerce brands, building an email or SMS list this way can be very valuable. Now, there are some pros and cons, so let's dive in. One of the main advantages of DM automation is speed. Customers often expect quick responses when they ask questions on social media. Automated replies ensures that common questions are answered immediately, even if the business owner is not online. Another benefit is lead generation. By guiding conversations into direct messages, businesses can capture emails, phone numbers, or other contact information. This allows them marketing to interested users beyond the initial interaction. However, automation should be used carefully. If messages feel robotic or overly promotional, users may lose interest or stop responding. Conversations that involve sensitive issues or complex questions should always be handled manually. There's also a bit of a learning curve when designing automation flows. Businesses really need to think through the conversation path and test the message to ensure the experience feels natural. Okay, now let's take a look at the different plans and pricing options. So now if you click our link down below, we'll go ahead and go to pricing. They've got a couple different options here. They do have a free plan. So this is of course $0. With this, you can Instagram direct message, Facebook Messenger, and then TikTok beta. You can also automate conversations. So unlimited custom flows to engage up to 1,000 contacts, acquire new customers, segment your contacts. Then they've got the pro plan, which is $15 per month. You get access to Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, SMS, and email, and then TikTok beta. You get everything in the free plus unlimited contacts, expand customer reach, optimize performance with analytics and insights, and you can remove the Manychat branding. Lastly is their elite plan. This is completely custom, so you do need to contact them directly. You get everything in the pro plan, but you get a dedicated onboarding expert, guided experience, priority support, etc. So if you want to check any of those out, you can go ahead and even get started with a free plan and then increase from there. Manychat can be a very helpful tool for e-commerce brands that receive frequent questions through social media comments or direct messages. If your posts generate engagement and people often ask about products, promotions, or availability, and even just sending them directly to nurture them, getting them on your email list, or sending them a product directly is so powerful. Again, it can be useful for brands who want to capture leads directly through social platforms and move those contacts into email or SMS marketing. On the other hand, if your social media pages have limited engagement or your product requires detailed personal consultations, automation may not play a large role in your marketing strategy. In those cases, focusing on content and audience growth may be the priority before introducing automated messaging. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to manage social media conversations while also running an online business, but tools like Manychat really help you simplify this process and make sure you don't miss any opportunities. If you want to check out Manychat, again, we do have that link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build and grow your e-commerce business with clear step-by-step tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.